Artificial intelligence is a very interesting new field for us, where our technology is used to synthesize audio data. So when you're training some kind of artificial intelligence, for example Siri, to understand speech, or your Teams meetings to kind of sound, or Zoom meetings to sound better, there's a ton of AI involved in that to kind of treat the audio. And our tech is being used by big tech companies and so on to synthesize audio data, to then train this machine learning to understand sound and work with sound. And that's a super interesting field.
Can we just apply your technology to the automotive industry? How does it... Can you explain how it might help in a car?
That's kind of, how do you say, like an analogous... I'm sorry, my English. It's like a parallel thing to the building industry. So now you can design the soundscape of a car virtually. Before you would have to build a physical prototype of the car and, test, okay, how does it sound? How is the engine sound coming through? What if I put the speakers here? And then you just had to build a car and place the speaker there and listen to it. But now you can, in simulation and in VR, you can just experience how the car is going to sound. What if I try put the sound system there, or put the loudspeaker here, or add more loudspeakers, or if I change the engine in this way, and just kind of virtually test all your design iterations much faster, much cheaper, and ultimately end up with a car that sounds better and probably uses less materials at the same time.
And I suppose when people get in a car and test drive it, it's all about the experience, and words like experience cover a lot of things. And it could be, is it a good quality leather? Is it a nice seat? But actually, as you said there, it could also be a sound, and people are, I don't like driving in this car. Why don't I like driving in this car?
Exactly. It can be a sort of rather subconscious thing, but research has again kind of shown that people actually judge the quality of a car very much by the sort of sound aspect of it. For example, just the good old closing the door sound. If you get this kind of thump sound, then it's like, this is a quality car. But if you get the then it's a crap car, So yeah, being able to design that with simulation is a good example.